It's time to own every word you say. Stop letting your words go unheard. If you ever felt that your message get lost because of unclear or shaky speech, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you how to sound confident, bold, and unforgettable in English. No more mumbling, no more second guessing. Let's jump right in. Point number one is you have to organize your thoughts. You have to structure your message before sharing it with people. Have it ever happened to you that you said something and you immediately wished you could take it back? Or you're just rumbling about without any clear point of view? That is what happens when you speak before organizing your thoughts. You have to organize your thoughts in intro, main points, conclusion with examples. You can organize your thoughts in this way. Before speaking, you can take a long breath, you can organize your thoughts, and then you will speak. This will help you to sound smarter, calmer, and more persuasive. Point number two is focus on the key points. Have you ever heard someone who is speaking for 5 to 10 minutes and you still don't understand what are the main points, what the person is talking about? Don't be that person. When you speak, especially in meetings, interviews, or presentations, it is easy to be carried away with unnecessary details. But if you focus on key points, your message will be more clearer, memorable, and impactful. And of course, the listener will appreciate the speaker who get into the heart of the matter without wasting time. So what you have to do, you have to identify your key or core points and you have to eliminate any unnecessary or supporting details that are not directly contributing to it. You have to ask yourself what you want your listener to remember. So you have to focus on solely on those 2 or 3 points. You have to break your complex ideas into smaller, digestible chunks that are easy for the listener to follow. Point number three is a pause technique. Did you know that sometimes saying nothing at all is the most powerful thing you can do during conversation? A well-timed pause speaks louder than words. So what is a pause technique? Pause technique is deliberately waiting, stopping for a moment before, during, or after speaking something. So how this pause technique helps you? This pause technique helps you to gather your thoughts, organize your thoughts, and also helps you to add weight to whatever you want to say. It helps you to keep your audience engaged. It gives you more confidence rather than feeling nervous or rushed. I think it also helps your message to land clearly and also gives some time to the audience, to your listener, to absorb whatever you have said. So, how pause technique is going to help you? It will help you before answering some questions, after making some key points, or when you are feeling nervous or rushed. Next point is use simple words. Words are like tools. The more tools you have, the more jobs you can do. But you don't always need a hammer to fix everything. Advanced vocabulary, of course, is very good. It will help you to understand speeches, articles, newspaper. It will make your speech more richer and powerful. But for daily conversation, you don't need to use advanced vocabulary. Try to use simple words so that everybody around you can easily understand and communicate with you. So learn advanced words, but in everyday conversation, try to use language words that are easily understandable so that you are more confident in giving your message. You're sure about the words you're using are appropriate according to the context. And the last point is end with purpose. You have to end your message with a clear purpose, with a clear message. A good ending leads to a good memory. A good ending, an ending with purpose, makes your speech strong, powerful, and people will not forget whatever you have said. It's memorable, it's unforgettable. It will also help your audience to know what to understand, what to remember, and what to do next. So it will, your powerful ending gives a clear message what your listener, your audience is going to do in future. So I hope you like all these points and you are going to follow these points. If you want to sound more natural, confident, fluent in English, you have to follow these points. Tell me in the comments which point do you like most. See you in the next video.